Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. Today we are back in the greenhouse. My husband is going to help me get some of the window panes in the back wall here, hopefully before it is dark. Let me show you kind of what we're doing. So here is the back wall of the greenhouse, and these are the windows we're using. We're going to be using one large and one kind of skinny for each opening. And then we're going to frame them in. So we're going to do a bottom, a top, and two side to frame it. And then we're going to do a 2x4 between the windows to be able to anchor the windows in. So we already have all of the wood measured and cut out. So hopefully all we have to do is throw everything together and install them on the greenhouse wall. So let me get you guys set up on a tripod and then we'll get to it.